To begin, open your Omnigene Oral Test Kit box. Do not discard the box or any of the contents. Find your test kit ID number. Go to testiowa.com to activate your test by entering your test kit ID number. You must register online in order to get your results. If you need help, please call the hotline at 1-833-286-8378. Before collecting the test, wash your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds. Do not eat, drink, smoke, brush your teeth, chew tobacco, or chew gum for 30 minutes before collecting the sample. Spit into the funnel until the amount of liquid, not bubbles, reaches the solid black line. Hold the tube upright with one hand. Close the funnel lid with the other hand by firmly pushing the lid until you hear a loud click. The liquid in the lid will be released into the tube to mix with the saliva. Make sure the lid is closed tightly. Hold the tube upright. Unscrew the funnel from the tube. Use the small cap to close the tube tightly. Shake the cap tubed for 5 seconds. Now it's time to label your sample. Write your name and date of birth on the test kit ID label. Place the label on the sample tube. Write down or take a picture of your test kit ID number. Place your tube into the orange bag and seal. Place the orange bag in the original box and close the lid. Place the UPS shipping label on the center of the shipping bag. Keep the UPS return receipt as your tracking record. Place the box containing the sample into the shipping bag. Seal the bag. Immediately mail the sample via UPS.